Hi, thanks so much for pressing play. Please excuse the washing machine noise in the background. Sorry about that. This is just a very quick video because I've just checked the news this morning and this was about an hour ago. And it's it's a tribute to the Knights Templar dates, which I'm going to show in a minute. And it's kind of mockery at the same time, it's everything thrown in. But it's also linked in with the Grenfell fire, clearly, because of that. They've done that on purpose. Because everyone's now going to be remembering the fridge that caused the Grenfell fire that supposedly killed a lot of people. This now has saved somebody. Again, I'll leave the link for this story. So it happened yesterday, but it's only just been reported today. So they've saved it on purpose. This news story has been pre-planned for today. So yeah, it happened Friday morning. So Friday yesterday was the 11th, but it was a Friday, so that's important as well, because it links in with the Knights Templar Friday the 13th in the year 1307, and then 1308 as well, because of the 12th of August, where the charges were increased. Today's the 12th of August, that's when it's been reported. So I just did a quick time and date from Grenfell Tower incident to yesterday. I'm just going to have a quick breakdown of that. Okay. So yeah, it was reported today, 12th of August, which links in with the Knights Templar date in Wikipedia, describing how the charges were then changed and increased in the year 1308, which is tomorrow's date. So Grenfell fire caused by the fridge, 14th of June. Sunderland gas blast saved by a fridge this time, Friday the 11th of August. It's 58 days. So straight away you've got your 13 quite easily there. Fifth number in Fibonacci is 5. Eighth number in Fibonacci is the sixth number. So you've got 5 and the 6. You've got your 11th of August, year 11, which was when this happened yesterday. Carrying on here, 5 times 8, 40. Making the 0 with as a 9 instead, for 3 plus 6 for 9. Again, you're still getting your 13. Keeping it as the 4, 3, 6 for this circle, 3 and 6. 4, 3 that side, 7, and then your 6 is your 13 still. You can get your 42 with the 7 times 6. 4 plus 2, yeah, being the 6 for the June date of Grenfell. I just want to go straight onto the month and 28 days there, because that links directly in as well with 40, because 12 plus 28 is 40 as well. So all of that would still apply to this one, but as well it's quite clear the 12th of August there, that's today. Knights Templar 12th of August reference. And obviously 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11, so it's the 11 again, tying in with the yesterday. 12 times 8 being 96. Let's have a quick look at the seconds one. There's not many numbers there, so quite clear that you can just get obviously 5 times 2, 110. I just want to use the 0 straight away as a 3 6 to show that, because you get 8 then, and then 6 plus the 1 1 is your other 8. That's then 3 6, so that's 11. That'll be 3 6 at the end, so 9. So if you replace the 0 for a 3 6, you can get that. Still keeping it as 3 6, you can also do it that way. 5 plus the 3, you get your August. There you've got your 13. Or it's also the year 1308, 138. There's no 0, 138. And then you've got your 9 6 left at the end. 6 3. So that's the seconds. Let's have a quick look at the hours one. I didn't want to make it too long, so I'm skipping the minutes, but you can see there's patterns on that minutes one already. That's 8 plus 3 is 11, 5 and 2 7, so you've got a 7-11 thing with the minutes. 1392 hours. So 13, and then your 9 plus the 2, you've got your 11, so 13th link, and the 11 as well for yesterday. 1 plus 3 of course being the 4, 9 and 2 for the 11, you can get to 44. 13 plus 92, 105. Using the 0 as a 9, 195. Again, 9 and 5 for the 14, it goes back round to 114 that time, instead of 411. Using it as 3 6, the 0, 1365, again you get your 13 and then the 11. So linking in again with the start there. This is interesting though. So 1392, 3 plus 9 being 12, that suddenly then becomes 1122, which incorporates the 11th, the 12th, 13 and 14. You've got 11 there, 12 there, 13, 14. You can get all those numbers from that. 11, 12, 13 for 12 plus 1, 14 for 12 plus 2. It also comes to 33 of course, 11 plus 22. Quick look at the days, 8 weeks, 2 days. So to make that a bit more interesting, it's obviously 2 8s as well. But 82 plus 28, 110. Changing the 0 for a 9, you get your 9, 11, 11, 9. Or if you use 3 6 for the 0, 1 1 3 6. This is really cool. That suddenly then becomes 1 4 6. 14th of June. Links in with the Grenfell fire date, 14th of June. If you do the mirror system there. And it also has the 13-7, because it's 13 there, 1 and the 6. 13-7. So then finally, the percentage. Again, this is from Grenfell fire date to yesterday. The link being the fridge, and it's all to do with the Knights Templar dates for this weekend. Mockery and news rituals. Obviously they'll save the story for today. That's the percentage of the year. 15.89. Adding all those together, even plus the 2 individual, comes to 33. There you've got 6, and then that bit's 17. So that's the year obviously now that we're in 17. That all on comes to the 14. So it's again that into that 14th, the 2 7s, 14th of June. 15 plus 89, 104. So again, using the 0 as a 3 6, you also got the 13th of October. Friday the 13th of October. yesterday's fridge incident, Friday. That's the Knights Templar date from 1307, the famous Friday the 13th. Using the 0 then as a 9, 194, you get your 113. So again, it's just the 33 if you use the 0 as a 9. Thanks so much everyone, take care, have a good weekend.